Fajitas, let's cook it. I am the old food guy. Welcome to the channel. Right then, so we've got the Fajita pack. Aldi's £1.59, I think that was, or 49. I'm going to do my minced beef. Nice and cheap, £1.50 that was. Bag of mixed peppers, don't need them all, just a few. 90p. Onion, chop that up. Got 2 packs of this, 1 sweet chilli and garlic, and 1 onion, spring onion and oyster. And he's going to have a handful of cherry tomatoes. It's going to be quite simple, this one, nice and easy. First things first, minced beef in a saucepan. Right, first things first, get your minced beef opened. Get your pot on. Don't need no oil in this. Get it in there. Look. Take that out. And we'll get that browned up. So we just let that brown up. What that's doing, we'll chop the onion. Right, we'll chop the onion up. Right, onion's diced. I like to have mine quite chunky. Now to the pepper, chop the pepper up. Whichever colours you want, doesn't really matter I suppose. Right, pepper's chopped. Few cherry tomatoes, don't need a couple, don't need loads. Just an handful. Just to give it that tomatoey taste. That'll do. And we'll chop them up. Right, tomatoes are done. Right, that's all done. Let's get all your condiments in. Give it a good stir. Right, while that's boiling away, while it's doing its thing, we'll get this opened. There's the wraps, the salsa, and the seasoning. I mean, people who put the seasoning now, I like to do it after I do, but you just do it as you like it. Then you get more flavour when it's in a bit. Let all that soften up. Then we'll get the seasoning in. We'll get the sweet chilli in. We'll get the spring onion in. Then it tastes really nice and sweet. Right, that's boiling away nicely now. So now we get the Fajita seasoning in. Pour. Make sure you get it all. Get a good mix. That smells lovely. Coming on now. Looking nice. Well, now we get the stir fry sauces in. These are lovely, these are. Don't know if you've had, they're only 30p each from Aldi. Give it that lovely sweet taste. There's one. Now the sweet chilli one. Get all the mix. Now you want to put the lid on that and leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. Then it'll come out lovely. Right, that's about done now. Looking lovely, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Get your wraps. Put them in the microwave for 1 minute just to warm them up. I always like to separate mine first. Cross them like that. Lovely, get them in the microwave for 1 minute. Right, the wraps are done, nice and soft now, nice and warm. I'll also put a bit of cheese in first. Bit of grated cheese. Bit on top. And a bit of filling. Oh yes, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Nice, cheap, simple food. Absolutely gorgeous. I like to wrap mine up like that. There's one. Oh yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Got one in half to show you. Stunning. Oh yes. Simple lovely food there. Gorgeous. Well there you go then. Lovely fajita. Cheesy. Sweet. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Got a kick as well. Nice kick to it. Perfect. Took about 15 minutes to make. Wow. Absolutely wow. As I say, I am the old food guy. If you like content like this, give us a thumbs up. Give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong.